In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OSPPREARM Run as Administrator, not working in Excel. If you've tried to run the OSPPREARM command as an administrator and nothing seems to happen, or Excel still isn't activating properly, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through what you need to check, how to run the command correctly, and a few important details that can make or break this process. First, make sure Excel and any other Office apps are completely closed. This includes background processes, so if you know how to open Task Manager, it's a good idea to confirm that no Office programs are still running there. The OSPPREARM tool works with the licensing system, and having Office open can interfere with it. Next, you'll need to open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell window. That simply means running it as an administrator. On Windows, the quickest way is to go to the Start menu, type CMD or PowerShell, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If you don't see that option, you might be logged in with a standard account, in which case you'll need an admin account or help from your IT support. Once the elevated window is open, you need to navigate to the folder where OSPPREARM is located. This file is usually stored in your Office installation directory. For most modern versions of Office, that's under the Program Files or Program Files, x86 folder, then Microsoft Office, then the Root folder, and then the Office version folder. Use the cd command to change directories, taking care to match the exact folder path for your system and Office version. When you're in the correct folder, type the OSPPREARM command and press Enter. If it runs correctly, you typically won't see a long message, but you also shouldn't see an error. If Windows says the file isn't recognized, you're probably in the wrong folder, or the file name is slightly different from what you typed, so double-check the spelling and path. After running OSPPREARM, restart your computer. A reboot helps the licensing service refresh. Once your system is back up, open Excel again and check activation. In many cases, this is enough to clear issues with trial resets or activation glitches. If it still doesn't work, repeat the steps slowly, confirming that you ran the command in the correct directory with full administrative rights, and that all Office apps were closed before you started.